Hey guys, Graham Pruitt here in Fairfax, Virginia with MVB Mortgage. If you're looking for construction loans in Northern Virginia, in DC, in Maryland, Richmond, North Carolina, South Carolina, we're honestly the go-to people in this area. So we do everything in-house, all of our processing, underwriting, funding, draws, everything is done here at our office in Fairfax. Honestly, we've got a lot of construction products. We've got one-time close. We've got our two-time close construction product that is extremely flexible, more flexible than anybody else out there. We've got low down payment construction loans, 3%, 5%, FHA, VA. I mean, as little as 3% down on a construction loan, as long as the mortgage that we take out is within the Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac loan limits. So lots of options here at MVB. If you're looking to just talk to somebody about a construction loan, you want to know how they work, what the rates are, what the process is like, honestly, give me a call. I'm happy to go through that with you and talk to you about it. I can give you numbers. We can discuss it. We can see if new construction is even something that that you would be interested in doing versus buying something that's already been built and it's a resale. So looking forward to talking to you. Again, Graham Pruitt with MVB Mortgage, and I will chat with you soon. Feel free to give me a call. Number is 703-501-1777. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.